everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Little Hearts. This is a super fun kid channel. Each week I will tell you 5 fun facts. If you like watching my video, please like, share and subscribe. So see you my super friends. Bye-bye. Hi friend, do you know what are snowflakes? Oh, I love snowman with carrot nose. So cute. Snowflakes are formed when ice crystals cluster. Do you know all snowflakes look different? Now, second question. Why do planes need wings? They are not birds. You know what? Air moves around wings and helps plane to fly off. You know friends, I love watching moon in the sky. Do you know how far it is? A good spacecraft will take only 3 days to moon. Okay, my next question. Do you know why we have eyebrows? This is to stop sweat drops going in our eyes. Also, it helps to make funny faces. Do you also love making funny faces? And now my last question. When we are hungry, why do we hear rumbling sound in our tummy? Because in our tummy there is a liquid that is bubbling and helps in digesting our food. That's all for now, friends. Hope you enjoyed my channel. See you soon.